Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor, and I am here today with you to give you your market update. I am in a little bit different place than I normally am, so I think while I'm recording this, everyone in the Dallas-Fort Worth area is probably still asleep, but it is 8:30 in the morning in Paris, where we are spending a few days. So I am very excited to give this to you from here. So we have good news as usual. Still having good news from 2018 to 2019. We're still seeing an increase in average sales prices. In Tarrant County, we are up to 290,000, up from 278 this time last year. So pretty much every county across Dallas-Fort Worth has seen an increase in average sales price. We do have a little bit fewer homes for sale right now, which means that inventory, it's kind of holding steady. It's not terribly different, but it's a little bit less than it was this time last year. Average days on market at this time last year was 34, now it's 38. So I know a lot of people feel like the market is slowing, but overall, really things are still moving very quickly. To have an average days on market of just over a month is pretty fantastic. We did have more closed sales this time, 2019 versus last year, so we're at 6,500 closed sales across the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So really, it's a great time to buy, it's a great time to sell. All of these things are good news. If you have not looked at interest rates recently, they are less than 4% at this point. So, I mean, it's still a good time to be moving around in real estate, whether you're buying, selling, doing both. So although I am not on Dallas-Fort Worth ground at the moment, we are still happy to help you. I will be back very soon. Give us a call, comment here, shoot us a message. I will tell you that this has been a pretty amazing trip. I did just have a cafe Americano with a chocolate croissant for breakfast, and we are about to potentially take that elevator all the way up to the top. It makes my palms a little sweaty just to think about it, because it's a little bit intimidating from down here, but we're very excited. So please comment here. We're very excited to share our trip with everyone when we get home, and thank you for listening to our market update. Call us or text us or whatever, and we'll help you with your real estate needs when you need it. Thanks so much, guys. Have an awesome day.